Hello everyone. Today I have someone with me who needs no introduction. He's the pioneer of ISM to IIT movement. He's one of the most valuable SCG members and one of the most active and popular guys in the college. Varun sir, congratulations after having this ISM to IIT movement come successful. Did you ever thought you'll have such a big contribution?
No, I don't. I never thought so, but I wanted to contribute in some way to the college because college is giving so much to us. So I always wanted to, in some way, show us our gratitude to the college. So do something for the college, for the betterment of college.
Sir, having IIT tag on paper is good, but do you think that this is enough to take our college to the next level and make it as far as with the IITs?
It is a beginning, and specifically, I would say that ultimately, in whole college there was this thing that we are not an IIT. So everybody was like कि नहीं आप IIT नहीं है. कोई टीचर हो, प्रोफेसर हो, लैब में लोग तक जो आपका लैब्स लेते हैं वो बोलते थे कि नहीं तुम IIT है छोड़ना. मतलब पूरे कॉलेज में हर चीज़ का everybody has this excuse कि हम IIT नहीं है. So कोई एफर्ट भी नहीं लाना चाहता था. But now that excuse is gone. What more we need active members, active students. मतलब कोई ना कोई हर बंदा कुछ ना कुछ करता रहे. That is enough. कोई बंदा कुछ भी सोच के कुछ भी कर रहा है. Even this whole thing जो तुम लोग भी कर रहे हो, that is enough. कोई बंदा जो भी सोच रहा है ना, अगर उसको implementation part में, if he is trying to implement that part, that is enough. और अगर सारे बच्चे सोचने लगे, 6,700 बच्चे अभी कॉलेज में, 2 साल बाद 7,500 होंगे. हर बंदा अगर जो सोच रहा है वही करना शुरू कर देंगे ना, क्योंकि अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, आइडियाज़ भी आते हैं, सिर्फ मटिया देते हैं या सोचते नहीं हो पाएगा, हम IIT में नहीं है, हमारे पास फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है.
Taking in account the top colleges of the country, we see that they are known by the level of fest they organize. You know how the fests are organized in our institute, you know very well. So sir, tell me that what changes do you think we should have in our fest conducting system, taking in account the current system of politics in the college?
Technically, I would say that specifically in this regard, politics is everywhere. It is prevalent in every institute of the country, every good institute of the country, and it is prevalent in a very aggressive sense. In IIT Delhi, it is there. It is there for the means of like it is there like in a hostel system, but it is very prevalent. I have talked to many of my friends. I have been to IIT Delhi. So वो चेंज करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. स्पेसिफिकली चीज़ें ज़रूरी हैं कि लोग जो बनते हैं ना, थोड़ी सी फील होनी चाहिए. मतलब टेक्निकली हम अपने थर्ड ईयर में थे, आई ऑर्गेनाइज रीजन, और उससे पहले वाले रीजन में जब लोगों ने एफर्ट्स मारे थे, बट देयर वर 50 पार्टिसिपेशन ओवरऑल रीजन में, और बजट भी 25-26 लाख से. उसके बाद फिर वी टुक ओवर और पॉली हमने करी एग्जैक्टली जैसे पॉली थी, प्लेस वाइज पॉली थी, सब कुछ किया, बट वही था, मोटिव थोड़ा डिफरेंट था. उसके बाद फिर वी डिड इट, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सीजन जो हुआ, वी क्रॉस 500 पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
Do you think that politics is necessary?
Yes, and it is actually good. आपको सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है, और टेक्निकली वही है, लोगों की मैच्योरिटी के ऊपर बहुत चीज़ें डिपेंड करती है.
Politics on the basis of religion or religion.
नहीं, it is not. Particularly now that the student capacity of this institute have increased so much, now it cannot be in that way. It has to be changed, and that is why a committee was formed by the director sir. I was a part of that committee. We suggested few changes, but it was not accepted. Now what we have done, we have suggested few changes, and what we have tried to do is to give more powers to the clubs and activities that are active, to give more powers to the regular members of those societies. Because आप किसी भी रीजन के हो, if you are a member of literary club या if you are a member of dramatic club, अगर 20 लोग हैं, उन जो एक्टिव है, जो पूरा क्लब में हमेशा जाते हैं, मीटिंग्स करते हैं, if you give powers to them, तो irrespective of place, जो भी प्लेस के हो वो बनते हैं, वो क्लब के लिए तो अच्छा ही सोचेंगे. क्या होता है कि कोई रैंडम थर्ड पर्सन बनता है जो एसोसिएटेड नहीं होता क्लब से, तो उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्लब में क्या हो रहा है, तो उस क्लब की एक्टिविटी डाउन हो जाती है. Okay, means we have actually made it compulsory that every fest we have proposed that every fest will have regular members. we have termed those active members as regular members in that constitution. There should be a regular member from each club in each of the organizing committee of all the fest.
Politics on the basis of region, you want it to vanish or not?
Yes, because it cannot be. अब जितने 500 बच्चों में वो सिस्टम चलता था क्योंकि उसमें सब एक दूसरे को जानते भी थे, वो मेच्योरिटी भी थी और लोग सब दोस्त थे. आज के डेट में जब 6700 बच्चे हैं, जब आधे बच्चे एक दूसरे को जानते तक नहीं है, तब वो सिस्टम फीजिबल नहीं है और उसको चेंज करना जरूरी है. और वो चेंज हो गई अगर इवेंचुअली अगर एक नया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आएगा, लोगों को समझने में उसे टाइम लगेगा और उसके बाद एक बार वो फील चली गई तो ऑलरेडी इट विल वैनिश.
So we should wait for the new constitution to come.
I think everybody is trying to hard to get it implemented, so probably we'll have it in place in next year.
Okay, so that a new constitution would bring the changes what are required.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you sir. Thanks a lot for this interview. Thank you guys everyone for watching this. And next time we'll be back with more seniors and with more interviews.